beef and pork, grounded, chicken spice, Italian herbs, tomatoes, basil, garlic. Mix everything, make hamburger patties out of it. Pan is hot, patties in. Nice. Alright, after 2 minutes, flip the patties. And add the cheese on them. Cover with lid, cook for 1 minute. Now turn off the heat and just wait for 5 minutes. Alright, let's see, beautiful. Serve a couple of those with homemade fried potatoes. And your dinner will be wonderful with some mustard. Like this, if you like mustard. Like, share, and subscribe, my friend.